Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. You must have an approved Webull account with margin and options permissions. Once done, open account settings and toggle options trading, choose level 2 access, and accept the margin and risk disclosures. Make sure to upload any required ID and complete electronic signatures. Then fund your trading account with the minimum buying power. For the strategies you plan to use, briefs like spreads need extra collateral, so you don't get blocked when placing live orders. Next, configure the Webull Options workspace to support Level 2 trading. Add option chains, Greeks, bid/ask columns, and implied volatility so you can assess price and risk quickly. Then pick your strategy, single leg, vertical spread, iron condor, and calculate required margin and position sizing. This prevents unexpected buying power calls. Use Webull's paper trading to place the exact order types and advanced combos you'll use live. Doing that shows you how order placement, partial fills, and adjustments behave. Finally, place your live level 2 options orders. Choose single leg or combo, set limit prices, size, route, and time enforce, then submit. After sending, monitor fills and margin utilization. Make adjustments or use one cancels other orders to manage exposures. If an order is rejected or you're blocked from level 2 actions, check your account permissions, margin balance, and any held securities. If issues persist, capture screenshots of the rejection and contact Webull support for a targeted resolution so you can resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.